Hi, welcome to MuzArt. Let's draw moon rabbit today. We can prepare eraser, pencil, white paper, and the straw and watercolor. First, we can draw the rabbit, we can draw the circle and the body. After that, we can draw the big moon and the hill. Okay, then we can start to color the hill with watercolor. Student can choose your favorite color for the hill. Okay, then we can take the pure water to wash off the line. Remember, don't put too much water. Okay, then we can color the rabbit in black color. You can outline the rabbit first, then you color inside. Okay, then we can start to color the background. You can choose your favorite color for the background. As you can see, teacher choose galaxy color for the background. You can put a little bit water on the paper so that the color will be mixed together. Okay, I done my background. Okay, then we can start to color the moon. You have to be careful when you color the moon, don't color inside the rabbit. Okay, then we can take out the straw and then we can cut into the small stripe. It looks like this. Alright, then we can start to draw the grass. The way I draw, which is I start from the bottom, then go up to the top. Okay, then we can take the straw and then we can chalk on the paper. You can choose the color that you want to put for the flower. You can try to choose 2 to 3 colors for the flower, so that your flower look like colorful, right? Okay, then we can draw the stigma. Okay, let's draw the other flower. Just like the same way that I teach you. You can also decide what side of the flower that you want to draw. As you can see, mine is blue flower. So I can take the dark blue and the light blue. Okay, we can add on the stigma again. Okay, I will put more dark color on the bottom. Okay, don't forget the stem. Alright, then we can do the star for the background. Here you go.